Hey everybody, Jake here. I wanted to show you guys another quick hack that you can use to make kind of like an adjustable coupling, I'm calling it. And that's actually a connector that we want to make and we'll probably make in the future. But in the meantime, this is a solution that you can make to pretty much kind of solve that same challenge, which is two pieces of EMT conduit, kind of end to end or a joint, kind of like a coupling would be, except this is adjustable and you can use it to create different angles, as you can see here. Maybe this is the peak of your greenhouse or something. You could also do it straight across, but I mean, if you're gonna do that, you might as well use a coupling. But you could do that, but you can make different angles. And you might recognize these connector pieces. These are end clamps, and normally these are used for adjustable angle hinges or adjustable angle flanges or even the adjustable 180s. They all share this end clamp piece, and we have these individually on the website, so you can get them separately if you'd like. And basically it's just two end clamps interlaced together, as you can see here. So basically it's just, you know, the clamp around the conduit like normal, and then this bolt here is what squeezes the end clamp together. But these four pieces are interlaced together, and it's not the easiest thing to put together. You kind of have to fumble with it a little bit, but it does allow you to create this, and it's surprisingly strong. I was actually shocked at how strong it was. JT, our shop manager, put this together and brought it to me, and I thought it was really cool and wanted to share it with you guys. But basically, it's just the end clamp on each side with the normal nut and bolt holding it in place, and then in the middle, you've got an extra bolt, and because there's no nut pocket on the end clamp, you have to use a wrench on this other side to secure it. But basically, you can get different angles with this, and then tighten all three bolts and then lock that specific angle. And like I said, you could use this, maybe this is the peak of your greenhouse or some other structure that you're building, but thought this was really awesome and thought it was a cool solution to make what I'm calling an adjustable coupling. And like I said, in the future we want to make a connector that kind of has the same functionality but maybe has a piece that sits in between the two end clamps, so it's a little easier to work with. But in the meantime, thought this was really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like and consider subscribing. Let me know what you think about this idea in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.